Alright, as we can see, the generator we're hooked up on, we're getting 9 volts AC, and because I don't have any power smoothing, I'm not getting a very good reading in DC voltage, so I'll have to add some power smoothing right now, but under no load we get almost 10 volts, and then we switch one resistor in, and our voltage goes down to 8.4, but we get 3.6 milliamps, and we switch all 3 resistors in, and we're down to 8 volts and 10.4 milliamps. And that's running pretty happily under load at that. So I'm going to have to put a higher load in my box here, get some power smoothing and get a different resistor bank to provide a heavier load. But I'm pretty happy that I finally have this working out. The engine's turning at about 1850 RPM, and I have a very small spot, but I think I have a way to measure on the generator spindle. Alright, and the generator is reading 15,000 to 17,000 RPM. So we'll have to measure these pulleys here and do some math to see how much slippage I'm getting now, but that is a lot less slip than with the bare flywheel I had. So clearly the double-sided foam tape is doing a good job providing grip on the flywheel side of the engine.